So in this easel tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to edit image contrast here on the easel application. So once you have the easel application opened up on your device, you have to obviously add an image into your design. So to do that, go to the right hand side of your screen, press on images right here. I'm just going to go to where it says my images and then press on stock images for demonstration purposes. Then how about we just go down and use this image right here of what appears to be a yellow car just like that. So we're going to make this image a little bit larger so it's easier for you guys to see just like that. Perfect. Now, if you want to edit the image contrast, it's fairly straightforward. Press on the image right here, go to the top left, press on the effects button right here. Then go down to where it says contrast right here. And by default, it is set to 0. But if you want to increase the contrast, simply just drag this black circle to the right. If you want to decrease contrast, drag the black circle to the left. So fairly straightforward, but that is how you guys can edit image contrast here on the easel application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.